Okay, folks, here we are. It is now Thursday morning, December 21st, 2006. There's enough light for me to shoot this, hopefully. Quite a bit more snow than yesterday. Yikes. Got my own little snowdrift going on here. That's Gabby's chair. She won't be sleeping in that anytime soon. And here's Eddie's with a little less snow. Their playhouses, downed scratching post, and the castle. I'm going to head to the ledge here. Let's look over, shall we? Oh yeah, look, those are cars in the parking lot. You won't be able to see mine because mine's parked on the other side of the building. Snow is still coming down and is supposed to keep coming down for at least another 3 or 4 hours, they're saying. We still have no visibility beyond the tree line. However, there's less wind, so it's not coming down sideways. It's actually just fluffy and falling. It's very quiet out here. I've lived here for 4 years. I don't believe it's ever been this quiet. There's no activity on the streets whatsoever. There's a main thoroughfare just a few blocks away that's usually kicking, and I don't hear a thing. There you have it. I'm going to get dressed here shortly and go down to my car and see how buried that is. Later.